Hey, what we're going to be talking about today is how to put links into your blog faster and easier. So now what I've found is if you want to link to some of your prior articles, or even if you want to link to an external site, what you're going to do is you're going to go and you're going to left click, highlight. You're going to leave this here, and a lot of people put this in and then search Google. The problem that has is that it'll leave this blank and you'll have to find this little bitty cursor. And when you're doing a lot of blogging work and you may be tired and it's hard to see, it's a pain in the butt. So what you're going to do, like I said, you're going to highlight it. Now first you're going to hit this link button and that'll put the link thing here. And then that's where you're going to put your link eventually. But now you can go and still do that Google search. It's going to open in a different window. I usually pick one from the top 10. You can pick top 10, 20, 30 results in Google. So go past the sponsored ones. And then you find something that's appropriate. So you look at this. For example, this is gelato.com. Don't know anything about it, so we're going to go exploring. Okay, this looks pretty good here. And what this is, them and their dang cookies. But anyway, this looks like a congruent site. Looks like something that would be informative. And what you're going to do is you're going to copy that. You're going to go back to your blog, and then you're going to put it in here and paste it as plain text. You're going to come over to this gear. You're going to hit open link in a new tab because what you want to do is make sure they don't go away from your blog article. And then you hit update. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you get links into your blog quicker and faster. Now, excuse me, quicker and easier without having to double copy and paste and refine your cursor. Anyway, that's all for today. And until we speak again, be yourself, help others, never quit. Bye.